Today I would like to tell you about the infertility, which is a major problem among every lady. We will do over here that what are the causes, what are the do's, what are the don'ts, what are the preventive measures we are doing. Mainly we will discuss today only about the Ayurveda, what we are doing today. So first of all, I would like to tell you what are the causes of the infertility. So what we see, like the sleep is the mainly major cause, because the people who are not taking the sleep for 7 hours, they're having a very immune system is getting down day by day, and what happen after that, the infection rate is becoming more. So it is not only with the ladies, with the male also we see. What happen when the infection rate are more, like if people get infection, they are more prone towards fever. So what will happen? The heat will generate, and what will happen after that? It will decrease the motility of the sperm count, and similar it will happen with the ladies also. Second is the stress. So how stress due to the work overload, due to the any family issue factor is coming up. So at that time only our hormones hit, because anybody wants to conceive. At that time the hormones hit. Are you ready for that or not? Other is the mainly that is the uterus fibroid is also the cause for this thing. Then weight issue. No, we only used to say like those who are overweight, they are not able to conceive. It is not like that. Even those who are underweight, they are also having a problem with the conceiving also. How? Because their ovulation is not getting properly. So now, from the Vedic, what we are doing in the Vedic ground, all the physicians are working on the mainly why this is the main factor coming in all women. So it is the PCOD is also the main factor. That is polycystic ovarian disease, which we see that it is coming one among all the three girls, next all three girls. So what we just say, what we are correlating the PCOD with the Ayurveda. The PCOD in the Ayurveda is mainly the kapha predominant disorder. What is that? It is in the kapha predominant disorder. It will affect mainly the dhatu agni mainly. So mainly that is the kapha when it is affecting the jatra agni. Jatra agni, that is the digestive fire. It is indirectly affecting the dhatu agni. So after that, what happens? There is a three mainly the dhatvas which is affected. That is the artva dhatu, medo dhatu, and the rasa dhatu. So there is a vata is also the dosha, which is mainly taking of all the apan, vayu, and all these things. So these all the doshas when they're affecting, this will cause the PCOD. So what we are doing in the Ayurveda, what are the do's we have to do? Let's start with that. Do's we have to first maintain our postures. Mainly postures we are giving, we are telling all the to sit erect, and like the Bhujang asana you have to do the Surya Namaskar. This will help breathing exercises. This will open the pelvic area, and this will also help the mainly the reproductive organs also. So you have in also the daily diet plans we are giving, like you have to take the glucose intake. Mainly this will be recommended, like the cauliflower you have to take, tomato you have to take, and the fruits you have to take. And mainly we are always saying that you have to take stress less, like the radiation. This time we are more in contact with the radiation. Like we are in contact with the mobiles and desktop, all this. So we are not giving to our body anything. So these are the main things we are planning, and we are counseling every patient. So another thing I just want to say, we have to go further. This is pranayama also, and you have to mainly the breathing exercise you have to do more and more. What we are doing in the Ayurveda, like the treatment, Panchkarma treatment is the best in that. How it will help? It will mainly regulate the menstrual cycles. Like it will help in the ovulation, because in the PCOD, mainly the follicles are not ruptured by the ovary. It remains in the ovary only. So how Panchkarma will help? After giving the Panchkarma, we are doing the Bhasti. Bhasti, what will do? It pacifies the Vata, and it will help in the rupturing of the follicles. So after that, ovulation will help. Ovulation will help, then there will be a fertilization of the egg. So after that, ladies will be able to conceive. And if there will be, then what is the mainly we are giving the oil bhasti to the ladies. That is the Uttal bhasti we are giving. And woman procedure we are also giving for the ladies, because woman is the proper Shamna treatment. So these all things we are doing in the mainly the PCOD things. Thank you for contacting through Live.